Hello, my name is Ellie Pierre, and this is my e-portfolio. This is my homepage, and then a paragraph about me. The hardest part that I found when creating this e-portfolio was just the organization of everything, as well as in the beginning just getting clarity as to what exactly I was doing. And the page that I am most proud of is planning, instruction, and assessment, mainly because this is my favorite artifact that we did. We gave a group presentation in our class, and it just went really well. And this is just a lesson plan that we created in class, and yeah, I just really enjoyed the presentation and the response of the class. It was very fun. And this is my reflection on the artifact. Yeah, ultimately I learned a lot from this experience, which is mainly the reason why I'm most proud of this page. And then I added the specialized professional associations and how this artifact aligns with an aspect of that. And then, yeah, my tip for you would be just to really enjoy what you're doing, to really go into the experiences that you're going to include as artifacts in your page as just enjoyable, just enjoying them and seeing how they are really going to develop your skills as a teacher, and just reflecting on that is so good. Just improving your instructional practice and performance as a future teacher. So, thank you.